Hello, as you already know, my name is Tyrone Baker. I will be facilitating the usability test as well as walking you through the session that you signed up for today. Before we get started, let me thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule for your participation and your forthcoming feedback. Also, I would like to take care of a few administrative items before to prevent any avoidable distractions or disruptions. If you have to use the restroom, it is out the door to the left and on your immediate right. And let me know if you need to do that, and we can take care of that. I also provided a bottled water if you get thirsty. It is right there to your right on the desk. Also, if you would be so kind to put your cell phone on mute or to turn it off during the duration of the test. Anything else that you will need for the test will be provided as needed that we already have already. Now let's get into the main reason why you are here. I'm sure that you have a good idea as to why you're here, but let me just reiterate the objective briefly. I am trying to analyze the website va.gov to see if it works as it was designed to work, and also to see if there are any improvements that can be made to the site based on your input. I also want to inform you of a few parameters. I have blocked off an hour for our session today. I also want to be very clear that you are not being tested. I am testing the website's capability. You cannot get a single question wrong, so please don't worry about making mistakes or being confused about any task or anything that's going on today. The method that I will be using today is called the Think Out Loud method, which means that as we go through this, I will be asking you to think out loud literally and to share your thoughts about what you're doing, what you are looking for, and how things like that go through the process. Your honest input will be a tremendous help to me in helping to improve the website. Also, please don't worry about hurting anybody's feelings with your honesty. I need your true opinions to help make this usability test a success. Do you have any questions at this point?
No.
Okay. Also, please don't hesitate to ask any questions that you may have. I will try to answer to the best of my ability, but please keep in mind I may not answer every question immediately, because if it pertains to a current task, we will have to possibly circle back since you need to be able to work through the question without intervention to complete the task. That may sound tricky, but it's important for me to see you to be able to navigate your way through or not navigate your way through and be able to determine the cause of that. This is the computer you will be working on. There are also a few things I want to point out. I will be recording this session through screen capture software. The recording will only be used to help improve the website. I will only be recording what is happening on the screen. I also have a microphone to record our conversation during the session, so nothing will be missed when I document the results and findings. Also, with the screen capture software, the version that I'm using only allow us to capture 15 minutes chunks. So at some point before the 15-minute mark, I will be shutting it down and then restarting the next chunk for that. And again, our session will only be seen by personnel working on this project. The recording will be will help tremendously, since I am by myself and I won't be able to take as many notes during the test. So the recording will help me out a great deal. After I complete my actions, the website design team will get to see our session. As a reminder, they will only be able to hear our conversation and see only the screen and not us. If you would be so kind, I previously sent you a consent form for you to sign. Do you have it available and did you sign it?
Yes.
Thank you. This consent form just states that I have permission to record you and that the recording will only be used to help improve the website, and it will only be seen by personnel working on the project. So without further ado, we're going to start the test.